Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'd like to show you our Emma 6000 mattress, lovingly handmade in our workshops by master craftsmen with techniques refined and handed down over generations. Using the finest quality materials and fillings, the Emma 6000 is sublime. This 11-inch deep mattress is a soft to medium feel and has a staggering 6,000 of our unique curvation individual pocket springs, all working independently from each other, that will provide complete back, neck and pelvic support, as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to be gently caressed. The finest long-lasting natural fibres and fillings are then hand-laid over the spring unit, giving the ultimate comfort and support, using soft springy wool for its insulation, being warm in winter and cool in summer, cotton felt for its moisture absorption, maintaining your comfort throughout the night, and finally cashmere and silk for its sustainable breathability with excellent cooling. The mattress cover is our luxury double jersey knitted fabric to provide a soft and breathable surface and ensure a fresh and hygienic night's sleep. The tailored mattress borders have 4 rows of side stitching, giving strength and durability to the edge of the mattress, with flag stitch turning handles making it easy to turn the mattress, prolonging its life. Finally, we fit air vents to allow airflow throughout the mattress, ensuring it's always fresh and clean.